तत्तेताः तित्तेताः तत्तेताः तित्तेताः तित्तेताः तत्तेताः.
My God. When I look at her through the window, she has nice features. It must be my fate that I can see her always only through the window.
Who's that man?
Wife, no, advocate.
Don't you know he's Stella's husband? He's not good guy.
Oh, I'm sorry. He's your husband, right?
Yeah, he was husband. Now we will decide whether he has to be as husband or not.
Oh. So, is it a mistake to come and see my own
Look
wife?
here, this is my house.
Mhm.
Here ladies are dancing. Why are coming here? We all have husbands. Even till now, they also haven't come this side.
You must be having a couple of husbands, but all of them have only one husband.
Look, don't play here. Just get out of here.
If she is my wife, I'm going to definitely take her from here and
I
we'll
have
go.
told you 100 times that I'm not going to come with you. Please don't disturb our practice, sir.
No, teacher. I have respect for you, teacher. So I'm leaving now. Teacher, one second. To learn the whole of Bharatanatyam, what will be the expense?
You cannot learn dance in one day. Hey, but what's the matter?
If you have some time, even I want to learn Bharatanatyam. I want to compete with her and win one day.
Sister.
Don't mind all this.
There is no hurry, but we can learn leisurely. If you support me, I think I'll get her back one day.
Malvika and Gauri don't want you to enter the house.
Don't worry about them. I'll take care of them. Before that, we have to set Chaco right.
And even my father also.
My dear brother, your family is my family. But when I saw Gauri dance that day, all my anger flew away into thin air.
Okay, everything is fine. How did you see their practice session?
If you both are not bothered, I am always bothered about my wife and brother's wife.
Oh.
With whose permission he got inside the house?
Malvika, he'll be a great support to fight against Chaco.
Everything will be spoiled.
Oh.
How many times have I told you that I cannot live with this man anymore?
Yeah. Whatever you're saying is right. But you haven't given valid reasons for it. Come on, you have to give us reasons.
Yeah.
He told me he was a lawyer when he married me. It's been 1 year since our marriage got over. In this 1 year, he's never been to the court even once. He's not even got one case.
Hey, don't tell that. Since he don't have any case, it doesn't mean he's a lawyer.
Yeah.
See how many lawyers are there without any
What?
cases?
How?
It's true.
Brother, this advocate's job is a very risky job, right?
Leave that. At the least, he can keep a board as an advocate in front of our home, no?
Brother, listen. If I keep a board outside, all these clients will come inside.
That's why we've kept a board.
Brother, if I go to court, then I will have to fight the case, right?
Without arguing, how you will win the case, huh?
If you only win a single case, will you get more clients?
You came behind me telling me that you completed your LLB. Isn't that how I married you?
LLB. I saw people loving each other by saying I love you, and not by any degree.
Hey, you shut up.
Sister, don't get angry with him now. Listen to me. My father paid a lot of money and only then sent me to Allahabad for LLB. After sitting for 2-3 days in the class, I got bored of it. Then the money that used to come from home, I used to spend it and enjoy my life. And just to show my father, I got a duplicate certificate and came back here. If I want, I can use that duplicate certificate and do whatever I want here. But am I doing all that? No, that's because of my conscience.
So on the fact, you are not a degree holder.
Correct.
Oh my
Sister.
god, really pathetic.
Get inside.
come.
Come on. Green salwar kameez, green bus. Nice. What are you doing? Come on, get inside.
Yeah.
Hurry up. Why are you standing there? Get inside. Come on, hurry up.
Uncle, my father's admitted in the hospital. It's a heart attack. Nothing to worry. My mother's there with him. They even agreed to my tour. But I don't know why. I feel it's not right, Uncle.
It's okay, sir. It's better that she doesn't come at this situation.
Okay. You get inside the bus. Come on.
Sorry, sir. If Vasanthi is not coming, even I'm not coming.
Come on, get inside the bus.
Yeah, he has to come now.
He'll come. Get inside.
Hey, stop the bus. Hey, stop the bus. What's happening here?
Hey, you!
Hey,
You come out, I say!
come out.
Come out,
Come
man.
out,
Hey,
come out.
Wait, I'll go and see.
What is going on there?
Come out.
Everyone come out.
Come out, man.
What's the problem?
Without knowing what's happening here, you're going for a tour, huh?
I'm sorry. We are on a tour, sir. There are children and women in the bus. Please let us go.
Don't you know today's a strike? Strike?
A strike?
But there wasn't any news
Soon
with that.
it will come. Eh? Without informing the ruling party, they are planning a hartal?
Yeah, you deserve it.
Mr. Chaco, please don't raise your voice. In that case, we won't go. Can we return back to our place?
You can't move a single step from here.
What did you tell your name was?
Tottikuri Kuttappai.
I'm sure you're a good for nothing. It's written on your face clearly.
Hey, you!
Hey,
No,
leave,
stop,
Take your hands off.
My dear, there's not a problem outside.
See
I
how
came
fastly
inside.
he is coming. Very covered person.
Easy! Hey, stop!
Did you forget that you are a police officer?
Hey,
Take your hands
stop
off.
it! Hey,
Hey,
stop it! Hey, hey, stay there! If you are coming with me,
Ah.
I will plan to go outside
What?
because you are my
What did you
strength.
say?
You are my strength.
Come on, turn this side. Go and rock now.
Hey, don't leave anyone! Hey, don't leave anyone! Hey! Hold this.
Take your hands off. Hey.
I am with you. Go and see them.
Don't leave anyone! Hey!
Yeah.
Don't leave! Hey!
Get
Don't
nice.
hit me! Hey! I'm telling you, don't hit me!
Get nice. Yeah.
Hey!
I'll kill you today. Hey, stop. Huh. What did you think of us, huh?
Come out.
If you just beat us, get out or what?
guys.
Come out. I'm going to
Come
burn
out! Hey,
you.
come out!
Just fire the bus,
Please don't
huh?
get panicked. Sit. Let me go.
No.
Come on, pour it!
No, please.
Pour it! We should burn them alive. Come on, pour it!
No one should get down.
No, please.
Hey,
no, please
pour
don't
it,
do
pour
this.
it, man. Come on, guys, come on!
Please don't. Please don't do this. Please, the house again. Please don't do this.
No, please.
Help us
Don't
out. Please
do
don't do
that.
this. Don't do this. Help us, please.
Somebody We have captured the hell from the three worlds. and waiting for the heaven also.
Master? Which means we are going to win this time. Am I right, Master?
Yes, give respect, take respect, so that no one will tell that devils are faithful. What's happening?
Don't become afraid, Master. Actually, one person from our group tried to test a granite. That's it.
Oh, why are you wasting it simply?
Oh, Master, we had brought it from our US President Bush. You know, he was dead against when he was trying to give that to us. Hence, we are very particular about the quality test now.
Ah, good, good. I appreciate you.
Master?
Yeah, tell me.
Huh?
He isn't here. Where is he? People used to say he's everywhere in the pillar, water, land, river. Where is
He
he?
should be hiding somewhere.
Oh, wherever he goes and hide, I will catch him up. Why this place is filled with darkness? If it was in the world, we could have said it was a power cut. Hey boy, check him everywhere. Huh? I am monitoring you. Oh my god, what a surprise. Welcome, welcome, a warm welcome to you.
Devil, hope you're doing good.
Don't pamper too much, huh? I didn't come here to listen your pampers and softening talk.
Yeah.
Then, but to grab the power.
Oh.
Without delaying, I want to crown the power in my head.
For what?
Ha! Hell is in our hands, and in world also there are many devils like us, and only one place pending is your heaven, so that everywhere devils will be there, and all world is under my custody.
Devil, I think you've lost your mind. In the world and the humanity of the people, I still believe in all of them.
That was in later years.
If I prove the humanity of the people,
Me, the king of devils, will be the god's slave. But Mr. God, if you lose,
my future, you can decide.
oh, grabbing the empowerment is very
Yeah,
simple.
when I get a chance to rule the government, I will play accordingly.
Why to play lightly? You can play many games you want. By the way, oh my dear lord, do you know what are the things happening in the world?
How will he know? You have tied both his eyes. Am I right, Master? Eh?
Sorry, you were unable to see, right? Oh, now just see this. G boom ba. God doesn't know completely about our devils.
Mr. Devil,
In this old age, you need not shout and increase your BP, huh?
this is very cruel.
Oh, really? Have you noticed the last scene? That bus isn't a normal bus. It's a Kerala beautiful place, a small miniature clip.
What place is this?
This is heaven.
Oh my god, I don't believe this.
Why are you staring and standing here? Get
You're
inside.
blocking our way. We can't go in. Oh. Hey, Chakocho.
Huh?
Heaven and hell are real. I really didn't know that.
We are in heaven now. Don't try and make it a hell for God's sake.
Huh?
Oh, what the hell is this?
I don't see the Lord.
Hey, wait.
Who's he?
The other guy didn't come about.
Who are you talking
The
about?
great Lord.
Huh?
Oh my god.
Hi.
Come on, pray him.
You are right. It's God.
All kindly be seated.
This isn't
thank
our
you.
god, right?
Sharangadara,
Tell me, Lord.
did you announce the final decision?
No, we were waiting for you.
That's what he's here now, right? Just announce.
This is the place to decide whether you go to heaven or to hell. All the decisions are made here.
Oh, this is the real check post, huh? There is no discount in beating though I'm in
Just
heaven.
keep your mouth shut. I want all of you all to pay attention. For the next 1 month, all of you will be spending time here. I hope I'm clear. Do you know why? You'll be under the observation of the devil and the Lord. That is the reason we brought all of you to this place here. Do you have any questions?
To play for your tunes, there are a lot of people here, right?
Times have changed. It's become very difficult to decide who should be sent to heaven or to hell.
Truth and humanity is still it's there in between Malayalis. And that is why we are testing you.
What do you want us to do?
In Vishwa Manava Charitra, this is the first time we are giving a chance for a human beings to live here. And you all are very much fortunate.
Each one of you will be instructed what to do time to time. Till then, you can enjoy here. You'll get everything you want, just like Earth.
Bro, but then what about
Oh,
the
will you shut up now? Please select a representative for your group now.
Oh, we should decide from ourselves. Police is okay, then I'm there.
I think that will be Kaushal, sir.
Okay. This is terrible. Though all are here, what about the god's daughter?
Dear, this is the new generation eye contact. Yeah.
Don't do. Don't try to play football here. There is one more person to introduce to you. Smart, handsome, intelligent, but also the multi-talented personality. The goosebumps of heaven's woman. My son Double Duppy.
And if you don't mind, can we see him, please?
When he will be coming? We are eagerly waiting to see
Me
him.
too.
He went to Kochi regarding some contract.
The meeting is dispersed now.
Huh. Why this much urgent, huh? And above all, you're my future brother-in-law, right?
Who, God?
Yeah, your god's daughter Devika is my son's fiancée. Sit there. A youth named Trilog in this place is trying to flirt with Devika, and that too I saw with my eyes. That is the reason I have reminded everyone about my son.
How can you say something like
Stop this fight. We'll discuss it later. Kaushal,
that? Yes, God.
come with me.
Okay.
Finally, I am telling you one thing. If you wish to go to heaven, then you'll go to hell. If you wish to go to hell, then you go to heaven. Brum brum bravo.
Stupidity. Nowadays you have started playing with my family. In that meeting, you ashamed my daughter. Simply some rumors.
It's not a simple rumor. It's a very real fact.
I don't get it.
The naked truth.
Oh, the naked truth.
Yeah.
Hey, in what a proud manner you introduce your son to that people.
Mr. God, remember one thing. All children are equal to gold to their parents.
Oh, Lord. We had a complete different picture about this place. I never expected it to be like this.
In this place like these creature, all these situations are common.
I am a creature, and if my son come in front of you with a marriage proposal,
I will definitely present him with a death.
whoa, too much. The things which and all you're telling now is really making me annoyed, and I will show this to you.
Whatever you talk, there is no use of it.
Oh my God, the word you have told before to Kandari, now you're telling to me, huh? Come on, Kaushal.
Kaushal, you perform your duties properly so that the final victory will be yours.
Kaushal. Ah. This is my own palace. Mr. Kaushal, Welcome to the palace of the devils. After divorcing my very first wife, I have got all these beautiful ladies. This is Anjita, this is Ranjita, this is Manjima, Punjiri, and this is Manjita. As I am having 5 wives, you can call me Panjalan also.
Wow, they all look so beautiful. I really envy you.
Servant.
Good morning, master.
Good morning. Stanu, he is our guest today. So kindly arrange for the different varieties of special food.
As you say.
Hey.
We have received a mail that someone is waiting to see you outside.
Stanu, you get out and make him get in.
As you say, master. Don't open that pot unnecessarily.
I must say, you have a heart of gold. I won't deny that.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Boss. Hello, Mr. Kalan. How are you? What's happening?
With your blessings, everything is going well.
Where is your PA, Chitragupta?
You have spelled it wrong. Actually, it's Chitraguptan.
Oh, yeah, I meant that only.
That he has went to wash my vehicle.
Vehicle?
Yeah, Buffalo is his vehicle, right? So to make him clean and all those stuffs, he went there.
I have a present for you, which I have brought from Kerala.
Hand over it.
I present this to you on behalf of Excise Minister from Kerala.
Mr. Kalan, for all these love that you're showing to me, what can I
Oh
give
my
you in
boss,
return?
I want only your love.
Yuck! What is this?
Liquor. It's a pure liquor.
You mean more than original?
Yes, boss. It is very much pure. You can't get it everywhere.
Oh, wow. I can't believe this. Alcohol?
My dear servant, kindly bring 2 glasses.
Oh.
Cheers!
Cheers? Oh, he's trying to make a fool out of you.
Don't mistake me, boss. Before coming here, I have completed my 2 rounds of
Hey,
pep.
Mr. Kalan, this is made by a Malayali, right? So that my stomach will not get upset, right?
No, never, boss. I have tested with few peoples also. Trust me, boss.
Mr. Kalan, you have taken everyone's life those were in the bus.
Oh, my
I'm
boss.
really happy. As soon as I heard that news, no, I was at cloud 9. Oh, you can't understand the proverbs, right? I mean, I was really very happy. And
Oh.
above all, for your overtime duty, I'm giving you a double salary with good incentive.
Oh my
Thank
god.
you, boss.
And for Chitraguptan also, I'll give him 2 increments.
I don't know, but I have seen him somewhere before.
Yeah, you would have seen him. What was your role in the world when you're firing this bus?
Tottikuri Kuttappai.
Totti Kuli Kuttappa.
Good, very good. For identifying the best people, there is a competition between the devils and God, and you are the judge for that. Who is smart? Who is best? God or the devil? The representative of the both teams are gonna compete with each other now. Whoever wins, they are the best. And now it's time for the very hot competition. So let's have a huge round of applause.
Oh my god, he is moving or his muscle is moving. Let the competition begin.
Yo, come on, dude. Yeah, you can
smash him.
Yeah, give him nicely. Come on, yeah. Don't leave him. Just tackle it. Just tackle him. Oh my god. Yeah, come on. Yeah, dance is great, man. Come on. Yeah, come on. Oh, yeah. Monkey head. Yeah. That's the spirit, man. Just come on, dude. You can win. Yeah. Yeah, you're almost there. You're the winner, boy. Yo, come on. Just beat it. Come on, dude. Yeah. You're almost there. You're the winner, boy. Yo, come on. Come on, yeah. Don't great. Yeah. Just kill it. Wow. Yeah. Come on. That's wow. Yeah.
come on. Hey, come on, dude, you can get up.
One.
Please, come, have time. Just get
Two.
up, get up.
Come on,
man,
dude,
get
you
up.
can.
Come
Three.
on, you can do that.
And we have a winner.
We got 1 point. Ladies and gentlemen, moving on to the very second round of our competition, representing the Devils team, we have Godandam. And representing the Gods team, we have a person from Kerala who is one among the husbands of Miss Malavika, Mr. Gaurav Kumar. Here begins the competition.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Get from me also.
Oh my gosh.
Ah!
Hey, you leave.
Sorry.
Very good.
Come on.
Whichever criminals he get, he will just smash into pieces and just crush him with like elephant. At the last stage of defeating the Devils team, Mr. Gaurav sir is leading ahead. Here comes the hero of Kerala, Mr. Gaurav Kumar. Yay! With a fire spark performance, he is gonna defeat Mr. Devils team. And here we have almost at the end of the game. And wow, that was a fantastic shot, Mr. Gaurav sir. Wow. And he's continuously getting a lead point over here. Here comes Gaurav sir. Come on.
Yeah. So you belong to the Monsters group. Can I see your chief? Huh?
And now adds a 1 point to the Gods team, and now it's a tie. Shame. I think today it's not a Friday. Let's call my son, the great warrior, Mr. Drushta. And for the final round, representing the Devils team, we have Mr. Drushta. And from the Gods team is Mustafa Rautar.
Oh my god, what I will do? God, please save him, please.
Router is very innocent. Please don't send him. You can send him instead. He's very strong.
Me? No, it's not possible. At this age, I'm very weak in my body.
Sharangadara, tell them to not to spoil our name.
The Lord's decision is final. You have to fight him.
The person who smashes ton kilos of steels and irons into pieces and just sells for the waste market. Now we have Mr. the Great, the person who has a power of 10 elephant, Mr. Waste Mustafa. You better do one thing. You just find a good insurance company and get insured a very good amount on me. If I die also, you can live happily with the children's right.
What I will do for the sign?
What sign after the death? Let them go to hell. Hello,
Oh my
check.
God, take him
Ah,
carefully,
here comes
please,
our Mustafa
please.
like a very
God,
big
please
Spider-Man
save him,
with the
please.
entire power of 10 elephants
careful,
in the
be
ring.
careful, you can
Come
do it.
on. The most goosebumps and mesmerizing events. And it's happening now. The very big fight between the God and devils. We don't know what will happen. And we have a very big Mustafa. Oh my God, Mustafa is flying in the air. Full confidence. Oh. Our Mustafa didn't fell down. It was his one of his
Don't do
style.
him. You
If
can
you
do
lose
it.
this game, I will give you 20 crore rupees. If you lose it confidently, I'll give you a flat and a 20 crore rupees at Kerala. Full free.
Keep murmuring.
No doubts. If you win 10 crores and if you lose 20 crores, huh? What are you saying?
In that case, hit me.
Oh, The lucky charm and the strong pillar of Kerala, Mr. Rotter Mustafa. The great Mustafa added one more point to the great God's team, and now the leading is the God's team, and the Devil team lags by 1 point. Hey, and the victory goes to Rotter Mustafa. Hey, brum brum bravo! Impossible. How did this happen? Making the God's team proud. Let's listen what Rotter Mustafa have to say. If you could speak few words, please. If devils play with us, this will happen
I should have gone the competition. Oh, I've lost my 10 crores.
Shit. Totally ashamed. What happened to our powerful fighters? They fought today only to ashame me. No one should stay in front of me now here onwards.
Please forgive, Master. Every demon will make a mistake at least once in his life.
We commit mistake.
Ah.
Not only that, if we get 50 rupees above the match point, we will just lose for ourselves.
He promised to give him 20 crores in cash and a big flat. Who wouldn't lose a fight? I don't need to tell you, you know about it.
I think the only eligible person to become the Prime Minister of our Devils world, it's you.
It's my pleasure.
Mr. Devil sir, you didn't like me or what? You call me sir? When did I teach you? During my secondary school time, 6th standard, my maths teacher, you only know sir. Which sir? When did I teach you? Same voice, same face cut. Hey, no. Sir, simply don't say no sir. Just think and see. When all the students go out for the interval, behind the backboard, you used to give unlimited kisses to the Leela teacher, right? Don't you remember? I know everything, sir. Oh, your blooding memory power. Don't kindly reveal this to all. This is a trade secret, right? Hey, come on, catch me. Hey, come on. Can you find me? Hey,
Catch.
yeah, come on.
Hey,
I'm here.
catch.
Right. No. Left. Oh, my hand.
Master.
Everything is getting into losses and totally damaging. And you're enjoying here by playing hide and seek.
I'm not able to understand, Master.
Go on, switch on the system, you bloody fool. My dear son Deppy, where are you? Hey Dad, I am creating a small heaven in the world, Dad. Heaven? The useless heaven? You have to come here immediately, else our every wealth will be into losses. Dad, what madness are you telling? Hey my little idiot, instead of the lion, cats are becoming king nowadays. Small boy from Kerala will take your Devika and go off. Then you have to feel for that. So you come fast. What nonsense are you talking, Daddy? How it is possible? I'm least bothered about anything. You're supposed to come here fast. Okay, Dad. Okay. Kindly send my 2 drivers over here. Sure. What? Sure. Oh, my dad. Hey, my son.
Master son.
Oh, my son Deppy. What is this? Are you okay?
Okay.
Why did you come in this vehicle?
To come as early as possible. This was the only source.
Oh, good.
By the by, when I was not here, so many things happened. You told me now. Let me meet all them and come back. Well, who are you?
I'm Kaushik Kumar, IAS.
I am so glad I'm not IAS.
Our son has grown up too much.
My son.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, come.
Oh.
Bro, what kind of creature is this?
He's a gorilla.
Achirapira vachirukunda.
Jai.
The reason I called you here, Do anyone know that?
Kindly tell us, boss.
Our honorable master has given lot of instructions to us.
Tell us. We are ready for everything.
We should clearly note the movement of Malayalakara residency people.
That Kaushal is very smart and intelligent too. That Trilog no used to hide and go. That too, our princess bedroom.
For what, man?
That super is really a playboy. And our boss girlfriend is also in very deep love.
Love?
Yeah, love. It's true love. Yo, my
we
god.
should cut his both hands and legs, you know.
Everywhere we have an eye.
No use of having eyes, you have to see with that. Our spy team should work with a little more concentration.
As you wish, master.
No use of just replying alone. If some work should happen, I should go there.
Oh, it's really tickling, you know. Oh my god. Change of dress is a real tradition. What a custom. Oh my god.
Oh, hey, hi, Dad. What kind of outfit is this?
My son, after seeing the Malayalis outfits, no, I also like to wear like that.
Oh,
My dear, just give me a clear suggestion.
oh, Dad. To be frank, the complete vague look has gone now.
From today onward, this will be my casual dress for at least a ventilation purpose, na.
Ah, Dad, you're right. But Dad, cats are always cats, though they have strikes like a tiger's, huh? Did you get my point? Ah, hey. Kaushal sir, do you know why I called you here?
Oh no, please don't call me sir.
Why shouldn't I? You are the secretary of the world and heaven. So at least that respect I have to give you, right?
No, I'm your student. Why did you call me here?
Well, there is a guy in your gang, right? That Trilok. I am totally annoyed by him.
What happened?
Nowadays he started playing all his mischievous in my life also. If it happens again, I will screw him like anything.
The change of shape is confirmed.
See, your assistant has got it, but you didn't get. That is what an IAS is, huh? And to be frank, the god's daughter Devika is my fiance. If he tries to pass a line on her, I will cut his line forever. You get it? If he stays away from her, it's
Deppy
better.
bro, I like the way you talked. As I'm concerned about you, will tell you one thing. That Trilog, no, he's a dangerous guy. So be careful. He has many tactics to kill and defeat people. If he uses all the tactics towards, that's all. You're done.
Well, oh my god, I think he's gonna be a very big obstacle for my life. Commandos, follow me.
Shit. Kaushal bro, why haven't you told anything?
Don't forget, I'm an IAS. Silence speaks volumes. Only when they experience it will they understand.
How is that, bro?
Like this.
Darling, where is my Devika?
What do you want?
Well, I heard that Trilog is torturing you a lot. Shall I screw him up?
There is no need for that.
You are the person whom I'm gonna marry, Devika.
I'm not interested in that.
Hey, don't say that. It's okay if you're not interested now. I will slowly create interest on you after marrying you.
What are you doing over here? You better get going.
Oh, then what I heard was right actually. You are in love with him, right? I will kill him forever.
Then you go kill him and come. Trying to kill a person who is already dead.
Yeah, actually it's right. See what a fool I am. Oh my god.
Just get out of here.
My dear commandos, even she started forming an obstacle for me. Oh.
We have arranged this meeting to tell you about something important.
With greediness, disrespect and cruelty, never go and fall into a trouble. This is just a warning. The more and more you work hard, the more and more success you gain. The more respect you give, the more respect you gain. Well, why are you working so slowly? Don't be afraid. It's our play. Hey, buddy, how are you? Hey, my dear uncle.
What, uncle? Don't forget you're speaking to the Lord.
Well, he is uncle for you.
The Lord.
I mean Lord. But for me, he is my uncle.
Dippy bro, have you started a business of fruits or what?
Hey, nobody actually. Nowadays, fruits is very costly. I sent my slaves to Tamil Nadu and just got these fruits. Whatever may be. It is my present for my dear uncle. For what, Duppy? Oh, come on, uncle. I just came with a marriage proposal for a girl.
Girl? Which girl?
No necessity to tell you. Uncle, kindly get these fruits and just keep it inside. Well, my aunties are holding this for a long time and fix a date for our marriage as soon as possible. I'm very much eager to marry her. So you have finalized everything.
Yeah.
Uncle, it's better if you don't delay this marriage. Few scoundrels from Kerala has been arrived here. So Devika will feel very much insecure.
It will be like a lazy boy won a lottery ticket with a very big jackpot.
Exactly, dude. He has a very good brain. So fix a date as soon as possible. You want it immediately? Time once lost never comes, no, uncle. That's a problem. Sharangadara. Okay, take the apple. Oh my god, Mama. Thank you. Well, you have slapped me, right? You know who is my father?
Oh, pathetic. Only with the one beating you have forgot your own dad or what? Our devil king is Mr. Deppy's own father. Just understand.
You all keep in your mind. I will show you. Oh my god, my teeth.
Why he is doing like this? I
Poor
don't
guy,
understand.
Boss, you're going there alone.
Hey, what foolishness are you saying? For this kind of things, I have to go all alone only.
Then what's the use of us, huh?
There is no rule that for everything I need to bring a bodyguards, right? Today, it's a golden day for me. The full moon day. In this night itself, I should make it happen. If I should be little Rudolph, no problem in that. I want to win.
You mean to say that we should see your bravery act?
You both can go and have some refreshments. Well, before you both complete your fourth peg, you can hear my sound. Okay?
Okay, anything
then
for you,
everything is up to
boss.
you.
Ghost, please help me, ghost, please
It's
help
me, Deppy, a small boy.
Was it you, little master? Where are you going this midnight?
Oh, well, simply to get refreshed by having fun with some chicks, so that I'll be happy.
Which means you are going to enjoy today midnight, right?
Oh, that's so brilliant you are. Oh my god, yeah.
You're just like your father. Oh, okay. Whom have you selected today?
God's palace. And Devika is my target.
You are definitely a hero, my dear son.
Tonight, I will destroy history.
History?
Yeah, her complete virginity.
Oh,
A girl's most important thing is her virginity.
is it?
If we destroy it, then she will be my slave.
Okay, my dear little master. Please go and come. Since our master is not there, I'm going to bless you now. Brum, 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 brum.
Thank you. Well, where is my dad actually?
When you're going to enjoy with a princess, your father should enjoy at least with a pauper. He's gone in search of that.
Oh, everything is okay, but my dear buddy, keep one thing in mind.
What is it?
Well, make sure his story will not be a flopped one.
Eh?
Everything is in his own hands, so it's better he be careful.
Brum, brum, bravo.
Thank you.
Father was satisfied with 5, but son may require at least 10.
What happened at this time?
I wanted to see you once.
I wish the same, but
I wanted to come earlier. But by the time I reached here, it got really late.
if anybody sees,
Nobody will come here. I just wanted to talk to you once. I really miss the fact that I'm not able to even get to talk to you.
Trilok, where is our love going to lead us to? I'm really afraid.
Let's not think about anything about the future.
Trilok.
Oh God. Who is it?
Come here. No, there. Come.
It's my 3rd peg today.
Yeah. During our 4th peg, we can listen to the sound of a boss.
When I came with the marriage proposal, your father gave me a nice towel actually. And today I'm going to destroy virginity. Don't make noise and don't shout at all.
Why do you want to do all that?
Rape, that too all alone. But when I start, oh, leave me, please. Like that you're not supposed to say. Okay, did you get my point?
Anyways, I'm always yours, no? Then why do you want to rape me? For the time being, please can you go out? I'll change my clothes and come.
Well, okay, my darling. Oh, but still I'll stand here only. You should have told me this before. I just had a misunderstanding. if you're like this, I have no problem at all. Okay, Devika, you can start changing your clothes.
Then you should close your eyes for some time.
Well, for what?
Won't you listen when I tell you something?
Yeah, why not? I will listen to whatever you say, huh? Even if you say I'll just close my eyes for a day itself, huh?
Without me telling you, don't open your eyes, okay?
Sure, never. I don't do that. Oh, I know it's tickling me. Oh, ow! Oh my God!
Thief! Fool! Why?
I'm a boss. Oh, he's my boss.
It's you! Sorry, boss.
Oh, my dad. Here also beating. There also beating.
What happened?
What happened? What happened, my dear?
Because of me, that poor Trilok.
Because of your diversion of your mind. That is why all this happened.
That scoundrel was waiting for a chance.
It's a very big shame for the God's world.
Please don't forget you're a goddess, and Trilog is just a human being. You shouldn't go together. That would be really wrong.
For every process and custom in this world, there is a rule for everything. And to break that rules, I will not allow anyone.
Father, Trilok, he's not just a normal man. He has vast knowledge. That is the reason why I fell in love with Trilok.
Love is not a crime. But this love here, it is a very big mistake.
Father,
And from now onwards, you should never try to see or talk
No.
with Trilok.
I won't meet him again. But because of me, nothing should happen to Trilok.
Shameful, awkward, pathetic, shameful.
What are you think? Are you learning the words of the English?
After telling about your own daughter and a real character, you're still sitting and laughing like this, huh? I will show you. I will show you really badly.
1 minute, Mr. Devil. My daughter, I have bought her up. And you don't have to bother about that. Did you get it? Huh. Now you can go.
Huh.
Please tell us,
Oh my
Lord,
God.
what happened to our Trilog?
Will tell you, not only about Trilok. I have few things to tell about everyone.
Even I have many things to say. What did you think of ourselves, huh? That me and God are fools or what, huh? We want our Trilok right now.
Maintain silence, stay calm.
In between the fight of God and devil, why are you disturbing us, huh?
Please tell us, Lord. We are really worried. What did he do with our Trilog?
All are bad, either in one sense or in other sense. Love, truth, humanity, respect and affection and many more emotions that have been gifted to humans have been lost nowadays. How nowadays the humans in the world have become so cruel. Who is responsible for all this negativity?
I am responsible.
Huh?
Mr. God, the time for your valuable thoughts and speech has been passed away. Nowadays, bad people can only survive.
What
huh?
mistake did Trilog make? Tell us!
Well, cool down, my boys, cool down. You should understand one thing, Mr. Kaushal. This is a world of cheaters and dupers. And being the boss of them, I feel really proud. Brum brum bravo. My dear slave, the worldwide criminal Kaushal. Oh, sorry.
Me?
Trilok, kindly bring him here.
What mistake did he make?
His mistake is very shameful. He made Devika to fall in
To fall in?
love with him.
Oh, Trilog has committed a very big mistake.
Stop it.
Lord.
Why are you not speaking up?
God, please forgive me.
So, you have realized your mistake.
God is love. And only if you love everybody, you will be able to reach close to God, is what my parents taught me when I was young.
So this was your routine in the world, what you did, huh?
Beloved God, excuse me if I'm misbehaving.
Bro, speak clearly.
I'm sorry if I committed any mistake. Our Trilog is very talented. He's an excellent, versatile singer, you know. I don't think him falling in love with that girl was below his prestige.
What prestige? Oh, that is why you show this much attitude, huh? So we should definitely know about his prestige.
No, I have never said like that.
Charangadara.
Whatever it is, kindly test him.
Sharangadhara,
Lord,
let the test begin.
as you wish, my lord. What are the three karmas?
Praying, reciting hymns, and praying God.
Three ganangal?
Dharma, Artha, and Kama.
Three darshan mar?
12 Adityas 11 Rudras, 8 Vasu, and 2 Ashwinis, and so 33 goddesses.
3 Stali,
Gaya, Kashi, and Prayaga.
Trilog,
Earth, heaven, and hell.
What makes these 3 worlds to withstand?
Love.
I am very much impressed by your knowledge.
So we left him simply, huh?
Yes, for this time he's getting a chance. And for your soul, you have only few more days to live here. Meeting is dispersed.
let him sing a song.
That he can sing in a reality show. At least he'll get a flat. Here nothing you will get.
You can sing later.
Brum brum brow.
How is your boss feeling now?
Not the master, sir, little master.
Oh, whether it's the master or the little master. How is he now? Just tell
He's
me.
fine now.
So, what will you do to the business?
That is a very difficult
Oh.
task. Entire quotation team of Kerala needs to be sir.
We are fed up of attending the phone calls, you know.
You can avoid the phone
How
calls.
can we avoid the calls? The entire quotation group always try to call a little master, you know. Just 1 hour is enough for them.
He have to just go and stand there.
For what?
For the confirmation of the business.
Oh, ho, ho.
What to do? It happens in Kali Yuga. What else to say?
This is better any day. Bad time for Satan also.
My hand. You sat on my hand.
Sorry.
According to me, clearing the group at the earliest is definitely required now.
At this point, even I too agree with you.
Can we believe you?
According to this, you can believe me.
Okay. Whatever it is, we have to finish everything as soon as possible. That is my policy.
Our master has informed to kidnap Devaki at the earliest. Even if we have to show our strength, the moment we do our job, we have won the case. Then God will be our slave.
In such type of peculiar situation, we may have to show our strength and do the needful.
Ooh, what an idea. No wonder he became a politician.
This is not because of all these ideas. When his calculations failed, he became a politician.
Whatever it is, we won, you know.
Okay, wait. Don't laugh like a Satan and frighten me, okay?
I will make you afraid. Everyone will fear when they see me. You people not have seen my power, you know. At present, now I am your master.
Why is he talking all this crap? Shouldn't he be behaving as per his size?
That devil made us ashamed in front of all the residence people.
Why are you so lenient to him, my lord?
To conquer the power, I have given him so much of time. Let's see till where he can reach. There is no necessity to test Malayalis.
But lord, we have to check that.
Yes, to face the problems, to overcome the consequences, let us see they are how much capable for doing that. It's Kalikalam, right? Among these human beings, let's see how many people have good thoughts in their mind. Especially I need to know that.
You're right, my lord.
I am going for a travel.
As you wish, my lord.
Justice, injustice, truth and untruth filled place. I mean here, Sharangadaran, you should be prepared by making everything ready.
Okay, my lord.
Devika's thought, you know about it, right?
With your blessings, everything is possible, my lord.
Hi, hello, a very warm welcome. The famous coward Kerala politicians. I welcome you all to this my beautiful palace.
Thank you,
So
sir.
kindly prepare varieties of food for the guests. And no one should come inside the palace. Did you get? I just made you to come here through Stanu. It's just to discuss a few important matters to you.
When we got the call from Nanu, we did not believe it, sir.
Oh no, he's not Nanu. He's Stanu.
Don't worry about that. Whatever he says is all stupidity.
So what is the reason you want to meet us? You're the people who fight among yourself in front of the public. And when it comes to personal profit, you all three will join together.
That's the tricks of politics, master.
Now God is not here. So making use of this opportunity, we should grab the empowerment.
Oh my god, what are you saying?
Pluck the government.
You can do whatever you want. But we should get our profit.
All this is really frightening me.
You tried to avoid the son and father, right? You have to show only 50% of braveness in this, you know?
And not only that, if we get the powers, no, I will send all of you to back to your residence and to your hometown as a normal human being.
Can we trust you?
Of course you can believe. Though I am devil, I am not like you people. I always keep up the promise.
Okay.
Brum brum bravo. We need to get our share in the term of money and other terms. By corruption and cheating, you have earned lots of crores, right? So when you were coming here, you had anything of what?
Yeah.
And still the same greediness. Oh my god. Actually, I understood. You want drinks, you want girls, you want party, everything I'll arrange.
Now itself, we don't have any peaceful life.
That is for all your citizens,
Not
right?
that case.
Ah.
If somebody comes to know,
No one should know this, especially Kaushal.
Oh.
So, when are we planning the operation? We'll let you know. And you both people, at least till you leave from here, kindly give peace to that person.
Anyways, I don't create any problem. And then sometimes I have some small requests.
enough.
That also I'll stop.
We
I'll
agree
stop.
all conditions. So, hope you're all happy, right?
Okay.
Now, let's go and have something special.
Thank you very much.
Kaushal, the decision what you have taken now is dangerous.
What problem?
The new friendship what you have got now, avoid it completely.
That's not possible. I won't accept that.
You don't have anything to say, dear?
What I have to say, with whomever he goes, I don't mind at all. I before itself expected this.
Did you hear that? Now don't ask me any questions. I want to go and enjoy everything.
Let him go.
Darling, what happened to you, dear?
You're not having mind at all. How you will be having? You're the police, no? Whenever it is needed, you won't do anything.
Today your statement is slightly on the higher side.
Accounts are clear. Your way is not my way.
Just like a fool standing on the desert. I could not understand anything,
That's all. Come, I'll make you to understand. Come.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Hi, Hema.
Hi, madam.
We came to look Hema now.
Why did you come here for what?
We are not at all the disturbance for your relationship
Yeah.
at all. You can be with him happily, okay?
I don't believe my ears, Malvika.
You have to believe. I was never a good wife for you. I even not a good wife as you expected. me.
Sure.
Still, I'm not able to understand anything.
I can understand you.
A woman can love a person only once.
Who said that?
Sorry, my dear. Not even a single enjoyment, happiness, satisfaction. You didn't get anything from me.
Yes, you're right.
Sure.
I hope Hema will never disappoint you in any matters.
Yes, you're right, dear.
Malu?
I didn't expect this. I'm one hell of a lucky guy.
What, man? What? You're just standing and looking. Your brother's marriage is going on. Come on, clap your hands and encourage him. Ah.
Yeah. You are the true wife to me, dear.
Thank you.
Hey, Buffoonhead.
Master?
For inspecting the Kaushals and their team's action, did you arrange any people from our
Of
side?
course I've arranged, Master. He is really a cunning fellow, you know. If we are not careful with him, he may remove from this place because he's such type of a cunning person.
Oh,
Ah.
so funny to hear.
Make it soon, Master.
What is his weakness actually?
That is...
Then it's simple. The master idea of our plan. Here comes. See our today's property.
Can I call her? Excuse me.
Oh my God.
1 minute. Stay there, please.
No, never I'll stand.
Oh, no, please.
Don't come.
No. I'll not do anything,
Where I
please.
have to go now? Oh God. Oh,
Please
you came
stay
here
there for
also.
a while.
Yeah,
Huh?
please wait for 1 minute. Master has to tell you
What do you
something,
people
madam.
want from me now?
No. I'll not do you anything.
Then why you are just following me now?
When did I chase you? You just ran off.
Is it so?
I want to tell you one thing. Malavika, you have an enemy, right?
If one means okay, but everyone are enemies only.
To screw all your enemies, I will help you.
How is that?
This is the most poisonous one. Gul Tittagam. As soon as he eats, no sudden death. His body will turn into soul. Get it?
Please buy it. Please buy
Kindly
it.
take it. Tomorrow night during dinner, mix it with your enemy's food.
Will it happen any danger?
Yeah, if you eat instead of your enemy.
No.
Don't worry. I will be always with you. Go and come with success. Best wishes.
Okay,
Brum,
Your
brum,
Honor.
bravo.
I'll
Bravo.
go. Now I'm going.
Many say that marriages are fixed in the heaven. Now we have lively experienced that.
Oh, I'm happy to experience it.
Where is Chinchu?
There he is playing with the small kids.
I've never seen Kaushal so happy in his life at all.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Quiet.
Look, Malavika, I deeply appreciate you very much.
What's the reason?
Nowadays, in this world, who will be like this kind-hearted, huh? No one. Giving up his own husband for another
Ah.
girl. Usually, Malayali people don't do this.
Yeah. If he is my husband, it's enough, I thought.
A married life is like a strong decantation tea. What will we do if devotees come? We have to remove the sugar from the tea, right?
Oh, great words.
Hey, don't try to act smart, okay?
If you didn't like what I've said, you can slap me here.
It's an auspicious time, so I'm not hitting you.
Okay, let me ask you one more thing. This sister waited this much long to marry our Kushal bro, huh? Stop! You're not supposed to laugh here. And only I can laugh here.
If you have completed your dinner, then you can go with your wife to your room.
Oh no, they went.
They are young couples. Let us give them some privacy to enjoy themselves.
Gulgulu tittaga?
It is with me only.
Huh? You didn't give to her what?
Gulgul Pichagam? What's that?
This is one sort of medicine. We have to give this medicine to the person who has given as a gift for us, no?
Then why you didn't give to her?
How it is possible?
To whom are you giving this, dear?
To whom else I will give? For this evil brother only.
No, I don't want.
have it.
I don't want.
Please.
No.
Master, don't tell you don't want it.
Yeah.
Please have it. My darling
No,
is
I
having
don't
a
want.
lot of love and
Please, I
affection.
don't want.
Yeah, you are. Please say.
If Devil King don't want, no, you please give it to me. No,
oh
I'll
my
drink.
God, what a person
Give it
he
to
is.
him.
Fool, just sit
Give
down.
it.
No, I will be giving only for the smart person.
Yeah,
No,
she's
I
right.
don't want. I don't want.
Just
Please,
wait,
no,
wait.
help
I'm
me.
coming.
Master,
wait.
No, I don't want.
Please
I'll not
have
drink
it.
that.
No,
No.
hey, have it.
The devil and his men have kidnapped Devika. What? I can't believe this. Me too.
How can the evil stand against the power of God and win God?
Everything is going wrong.
But how it is possible?
I don't know. The unexpected has happened.
I am
Shit.
going to.
Trilok, don't behave hastily.
Relax yourself, buddy. We'll find some way soon.
I want to save Devika.
This is not your problem alone. We'll all join our hands together and overcome this problem together.
Do you know where has he taken her?
On the way from heaven to hell, he has many hideouts. He's hiding somewhere there. Do you know the place is guarded by man-eaters?
Man-eaters.
Yes. If the devil orders them, they'll make sure they won't leave a single person alive.
If you know the place, we can go and search.
I'll also come with you.
Then come, let's go.
No, don't be so fast, dear.
You gotta be very careful. Don't get yourself into trouble. We have to experience everything again.
Okay, where is Chakoch and Kochukur from our group?
Yeah, where have they gone?
I've sent them for an important job. Tell me, what happened over there?
Actually, buddy, according to my observation,
When has it been right?
hold on for a minute. That bloody demon has kidnapped our Almighty's daughter.
You're wrong, mister. He's already kidnapped her.
Oh.
Don't tell me you didn't know about it.
Oh my God, he looks like he's faster than me. So it means that everything here is happening very fast and very swift.
Then we have only one thing to do.
What thing?
During the election time, the method we do to catch our seats, that only.
Kidnapping.
Hey, don't worry about anything. Trilok and my brother will go and find their hideout. I want to say something, but
Even if it is wrong, it's okay. You keep saying.
I'm sure that Devika's with Bhutraya. Are you sure? Yes, I'm quite sure. Come, I'll show you his place.
Yeah, come, let's go. Hey, come inside. Wait, what is this?
Welcome to the palace of Bodhiraya.
Oh, well, all the grazing goats came here, huh? What did you think of me? As I'm showing this funny face, do you think I was a joker? And I was a coward, right?
Little Master is not a soft person. He's a very cruel soft
yeah,
person.
exactly. The moment I saw you, I was planning to give you a nice slap on your face.
Yeah, give Master. Hey, I can fight with your dad also, man. You. Hey.
Come on, go and help them.
Yeah.
Go! Go! Is he Bhutaraya? Yes, that's right.
And finish off everyone. No, don't hit me. Don't. Come on, save me. Come on. Hey.
I've hit him tight.
Hey,
Hit him
save me,
nicely.
man.
Very good. I am just waiting for this. I wanted to see him get hit twice at least. Enough. Good. Thanks.
You have done a great job. If you get one more chance, kindly do that.
Are you hurt?
Yeah, he gave me a knee slap. Hit him. He should never raise his voice again.
Hey, what are you doing? Go and hit him.
We politicians never hit anybody. We just make people
Shameless
hit.
bullet.
Come
Why
on,
isn't
hit
he
him,
going?
Hit him.
They're
I
all
won't
the
let you be
same.
happy. Hey.
I'm going to kill you with this one. Hit him. What is this? Our traditional fight. What's it called? It's an ancient martial art called Kalaripaitu. Kalaripaitu? Yeah, it's very powerful.
Don't try to fight against each other, please. Let us all have a peaceful life. No, don't hit me. Okay, hit me here too. I was just kidding with you. Why did you hit me like this?
Oh my God! Please save me.
Say now what happened?
Oh my God.
All this was very fast and very swift.
So God,
Yeah, I got it nicely. If it would have been better, no.
if my observation is correct, if we stand apart like this, we will be killed by getting beaten.
This is what even I'm trying to say. We'll all stand
Yeah,
together
come,
now.
let's get united and we'll fight against
come on.
everyone.
From now on,
Come with us.
no
Hey,
evil
throw
can
him here.
kill us.
Get away from here.
Super.
Okay.
Hey, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Why do you take care of him?
Oh my God.
Hey, Kaushal, how's my fight?
Who's he? He's my big brother. He's a very good fighter. Just wait and watch. What's this? This is the monkey style.
Good person. A great warrior I have seen. I am impressed by you. Ask me whatever you want.
Please let Devika go.
That alone is not possible.
Please let Devika go. Instead of that, you can take anything from me.
Is there anyone in this human being who sacrificed like this?
I am even ready to give my life for my love.
In front of you, we are all braveless, Master. Please save us.
You and your gangmates kindly leave from here now. That is a gift as I was impressed by you. So you can leave.
No. I will not go without Devika.
Yes, we will not go.
Really? Master has sent a message that he's lost in this battle. You can release them.
I respect the decision from Mr. Devil.
Thank you.
You can take the princess.
Devika, please come.
Boss, it's no use of we standing here. Everything is gone from us.
Oh my god. Kindly forgive me for all my mistakes.
Well, even to me also. Hey, Mr. Devil, what did you people think of me? To protect the nature and the world's peace only, I have created the human beings. And Mr. Devil, even your creation was done by me. You know for what I have done? When the people in the world forget the humanity, I will send you to them in different ways. Murder, death, gangism, earthquake, tsunami, and many other factors like that. I have sent you in various ways and various methods.
What is the reason for all these disasters?
If there is no bad, there will be no value for good things. A bad thing is always necessary to understand a good thing. There will be no value for humanity if there is no cruelty. The truth's value and deed is always hidden in the untruth world. If there is no devil, there will be no value for God.
I'm really sorry. Kindly forgive me for all my mistakes I've done.
Oh Lord, please tell us what punishment are you going to give all of us? We're eager to know.
I have closely watched everyone's activities and I have completely monitored by looking into Yemen's Panchabuddha book. I am giving you a very bad punishment.
Oh god. Is it we have to go to the hell or what?
You are going back to Kerala.
Just remember one thing. Living in hell and heaven is very easy than living in the earth. Kishal?
Kaushal?
Oh, Kaushal. Be careful. Tomorrow there is a strike in Kerala. That usually happens in Kerala.
Yes. Oh Lord, I don't understand anything.
This is the only area where I have been defeated for many times. And I don't have an answer for it.
The Lord doesn't have an answer.
Even he got confused like us, huh?
Oh my god. We have to go back or what?
Uh-huh.
What the hell are you doing? Just take your vehicle out.
How can I leave you like that, huh? That too very easily?
What do you want actually, huh?
These people are unbelievable. They never improve. They're good for nothing.
Wherever you go, you'll show your real attitude, huh?
Father and uncle felt pity on you and sent back to earth, but you have shown your attitude again by doing a very big mistake again.
I'm sorry, but I don't understand a single word.
We know that you're all very good actors.
Thank you.
But if you all try to act smart with our master at the hell.
What did we do? You tell us, please.
Don't act as if don't know anything, okay?
The most valuable thing in the heaven is missing. And while checking for that, I came to know that someone among you have stolen it.
Maybe that demon would have stolen it.
Hey, no, I didn't do that. Hey, I will tell you one thing. Don't make me angry, huh? It was stolen by one person among you.
Oh,
Hey,
oh my god.
did you take anything?
Did you do that?
Huh?
Me? You all didn't. He's the guy. He only stole that. He stole my daughter's heart and came here.
Oh Lord. Her soul is in heaven and her heart is over here on earth. She's not happy at all.
The people who love each other should always be together. That is what our rule is. Devika? Hereafter, Devika will play a role of a human being. Live long happily. Live let long.